All right, guys, let's talk about sleeping after total knee replacement surgery. If you've done any research, you already know sleep is one of the biggest challenges, one of the biggest frustrations, because nobody sleeps well for the first 4 to 6 weeks after a total knee replacement surgery. Most of my clients here in the US are sleeping in a recliner. There are some amazing recliners that go to what they call zero gravity. They kind of bring the legs up to the level of the heart. Some can actually go higher than the level of the heart. Those are awesome. They're a little bit more expensive, but most patients will spend the first 2 weeks in a recliner, then they'll start to transition into a typical bed. If you don't have a recliner, some of my patients have chosen to sleep on the couch, and some just go straight into bed. I'd love to hear from you. If you've already had your knee replaced, where were you sleeping, in a recliner, on the couch, or in the bed, and when did you make the transition? But pain naturally increases at night when you're healing from a surgery like that. The racing thoughts, the challenge of calming the mind, these are all things that are frustrating. A lot of patients who are taking pain medication will take them as prescribed, and the prescription will usually involve taking them an hour or so before bedtime. But if you're looking for ways to try to get those first couple hours of restorative sleep, because we know sleep to me is just as important as exercise. Sleep is just as important in the recovery process as physical therapy. I try to get my clients to do anything that they need to do to get the best possible quality sleep. Some clients will use an ice pack either during the transition to bed or just before they go to bed. Some clients will take a hot shower. They'll cover the wound so that they're making sure that they're following the guidelines, but they'll take a hot shower just to relax the body. Some clients will try different supplements. I'm not going to talk about what supplements, but you can do the research and see what's out there. The bottom line is, I try to tell everybody, prioritize sleep in the first 1 or 2 weeks above everything else. We want to get that restorative sleep, that deep sleep. And typically the agreement is medicated sleep is not restorative sleep. But if you have to take the pain medication so you can get comfortable, do what your doctor has told you to do. Follow your surgeon's advice. I would love to hear from you guys. Were you able to go straight into sleeping in a bed? Were you sleeping in a recliner? Were you sleeping on a couch? The more information you can share, it'll help others on the